They said my neck's too red. They said my dream was a dead end. They said people like me don't train. My stuff won't ever get it. They say my neck's too red. Yeah. Boy, your neck's too red. Timing chain. I hear them. Looks like I'm about to be doing that too. A 32-inch fender gap on the front. And 33 at the rear. So 33 to 26 and a half. Got basically 6 3/4 inch gap on that rear. And that's already with a 2-inch lowering shackle in the back. And about a 26, yeah, the same exact. Man, that's a fender gap and a half. Well, the truck is in the air. Put some PV blaster on these hangers. I've got these shackles set to the highest, which is the lowest setting. I lubed up all of my leaf springs, take a little squeak out, letting everything soak. I got the front end soaking. I had to pull the wheels off. I basically got the upper, lower steering and sway bar links all soaking up. I gotta find the cap if anybody's got one, a real one. We're gonna get this girl down on the ground. We got this right here. This is a 2-inch rear spring hanger drop. Very nice. It's pretty stout. I think we're gonna like it. It's a Maxtrax. On the front end, I just painted this grill in about 5 minutes, by the way. I masked it up with some cheap paper from the store. Threw some terrible Scotch tape on it, kept tearing, and did a tack coat after, quick scrub down, some cleaning, and then threw a tack coat, some flat black, Rust-Oleum, and this is still taped. This is still flashing. You can see the gloss versus flat. Got a heavy spot right here, hoping it levels out. I did this in like 60-degree temperature in the shop. Not the best. I know that. Who cares? But the truck's gonna be looking good. For the back, we're doing a Belltech old school spindle in the front. And this back is the Maxtrax. I got that little tongue tied there, sorry about that. So we'll be doing good. I gotta paint this hitch. I mean, it's nice and black. I'd like to just put another coat on it just to get rid of some of that stuff. I use this thing, rocks and stuff. I like to get rid of this exhaust tips, but in the meantime, I'm gonna polish them. And I am looking for a lightning bed. This bed's been in a little accident a long time ago. They replaced it and it was sprayed, it was fine, but I'm guessing they used some cheaper clear coat. And tailgate got plenty of damage. The cab on this truck and the bed are so rust free. I can't find anywhere. Rockers are amazing. Front end's amazing. If I can get a lightning grill, bumper, get rid of this hood protector, I might do a Cervini's just because the paint's been ate through underneath this right here. And we can do a nice lightning swap on this truck. I don't mind keeping the bed, really, but it needs sprayed on that one side. Yeah, I'm a painter, and I just don't feel like painting it, to be real honest with you. I ain't gonna be able to match this. Whole truck's gonna need sprayed. Or wrapped. I could wrap it. It's a really good option. I've never had a wrapped vehicle, and I don't know if I'm gonna start that yet, because from what I hear, I could be wrong, but back when I was a cop, you know, I was talking to the guy down in Woodstock, and Atlanta wraps. Oh, there's wraps. Wraps are pulling like $4 grand minimum for anything, and that's for quality. I like quality, so that's gonna be an issue for me, because I'm gonna be spending some money, which I don't have. So hey, it is what it is. Anyhow, this is gonna be probably a 2 or 3 part video. Got to finish this table for a friend. I got some things to do. They said my neck's too red. They said my dream was a dead end. They said people like me don't train. My stuff won't ever get it. They say my neck's too red. Yeah, boy, your neck's too red. Find my 6 amp battery, and I can't find my new 4 amp battery on the old Ryobi, R-Y-O-B, however you want to say it. It's Ryobi. I know, y'all, calm down. That one person. I see you, I hear you. All right, hey-o. I have to change everything I do with my back, I can tell you that much. Jack, and that's a fact. No slack. Hope that paint finally hit some tack. Man, that was whack. But in the next video, I'll be back.